Understanding the I Am Strength Award. The I Am Strength Award celebrates individuals and organizations that champion natural, holistic, and sustainable health and healing systems within the Black community. This category recognizes those who advocate for and develop systems that promote physical health, environmental sustainability, and resilience. It honors efforts that contribute to maintaining healthy bodies and a healthy planet, fostering strength and vitality in individuals and communities. The essence of I Am Strength lies in the belief that true empowerment comes from nurturing both our physical well-being and the environment we live in. Nominate a hero at higherselfawards.org.
Tehu Community Development.
Real estate investment loans for fix and flips, rehab loans, bridge loans, new construction loans, or a purchase of 1 to 4 unit rentals and multiple family rentals, 75% to 92% loan to value, credit score of 680 or higher. Visit us at tehucommunity.com or call us at 877-702-2228 about our other financial products for your business.
Your business is our priority.